Hey there, future coders. Are you confused about where to start programming? With so many programming out there, choosing your first one can feel like ordering at a restaurant where everything looks great but you have no idea what to pick. Don't worry, I have got your back. Let's find your perfect match in the world of programming. Before we begin, a quick warning. This video is packed with valuable insights from my 12 years of industry experience. If you are serious about boosting your career, watch it till the end. Otherwise, feel free to skip now, but trust me, you don't want to miss this. Are you ready to unlock life-changing opportunities in 2025? Imagine learning a programming language that's not just easy to master but also opens the doors to six-figure salaries and top freelancing opportunities worldwide. Stay with me and I will show you exactly what to learn and how to get started. Let's dive in. Technology is evolving faster than ever, from artificial intelligence and blockchain to cloud computing. Companies are hiring developers to build the future, and guess what? Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr report 40% increase in demand for freelancing developers year on year. Whether you are looking to switch a career or start freelancing, 2025 is the perfect year to learn new skill. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the best programming language for 2025. My pick for beginner is Python. Now why? Because it's easy to learn, highly versatile, and powers everything from web development to artificial intelligence. But wait, if you are more interested in creating stunning websites, go for JavaScript. It's the language for web and backbone for every interactive site you visit. Looking something cutting edge technology? JavaScript want to build cool interactive websites. JavaScript is like the magic wand of internet. It's essential for web development and open doors to creative projects. Next, Java. Want to develop Android apps or build massive backend systems? Java is reliable, widely used, and will teach you solid programming concept. Finally, C. This one for you if you want to learn to truly understand how computers works. It's the building blocks for many advanced languages, but fair warning, it's not the easiest. Okay, I know what you are thinking. Do I have to learn all of them? Absolutely not. Focus on the languages, practice consistently, and trust the process. It's kind of like learning to ride a bike. Once you know one, the others come easier. Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Debugging is like solving puzzles. It's half the fun. So there you have it, the top 4 programming languages for beginners. Now tell me, which one are you starting with? Comment below and let's discuss. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Smash subscribe for more tech and coding tips, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who want to learn coding. Stay curious and I will see you in the next video.